Isa,
Yes.
can I buy a car without credit?
Sure, why not?
What's the
You could
process?
always, you could buy a car without credit, provided you have what we call stipulations. Like if you're working, you have to have pay stuff to prove your income, your bills, utility bills, and stuff like that, and probably a little bit of a down payment that could be able to help you get.
So the down
credit.
payment is always required.
It's not necessarily required, but in some cases, yes, it does.
So after that, how can I improve my credit?
Once you purchase a vehicle, once we get you approved, purchase a vehicle, automatically, once you start making payments, it starts improving your credit. Now, you have to constantly make the payment on time, and pay the due amount, which is being billed to you. Now, if you want, you could pay more, and that still helps you build up your credit once you do the purchase.
Tell me a little bit of, once I'm approved, I'm about to sign. What is that before signing?
Before signing, we normally would have a person that we call the business manager that would actually have to explain a lot of terms and conditions, payments, plans, and stuff like that for you to take a look at it, read it. If you agree to it, then that would be the signing process.
Finance or cash?
I would say a lot of people do not do cash for some reasons, but if I would advise for people to finance, get a little bit of credit for the finance, and if they want, they could just pay the whole thing, but at least finance it for a couple of months, and then afterwards you could be able to go ahead with it, by paying it off quickly. Because if you pay cash, unless you really have it like that, but it doesn't really give you any type of reputation on your credit.
Tell me that myth about waiting to the end of the month to buy a car.
A lot of people think that's where they have the deal. Sometimes, it's not necessarily you have to wait to the end of the month to buy a car, but it's just a myth about people thinking that, listen, when I wait to the end of the month, dealership wants to close their doors to their deals and sales, so why don't I rather wait for it? But it's no certain. Every day there's a deal.
How long normally takes for me to get approved?
That depends on a case-to-case basis. Sometimes it might take an hour, sometimes it might take a day because of the banks, and sometimes instant approval is also available. So it depends on case by case.
So give me 3 tips from a customer view or for a dealer view.
Inviting somebody to come into the dealership would be the best thing for you to do, for them to come and buy. Your question is really very tricky.
What is that?
Your question is very tricky because you're telling me from the dealers. I'm a dealer, so of course, obviously, I want people to come in and buy.
So if I'm a new salesperson,
correct.
You as an experienced salesman, what would you advise me to bring my own clientele?
Why would I advise you to bring your own clientele?
Right. So I'm trying to learn from you. Okay. I'm a new salesperson. Obviously, I'm trying to learn from you.
Basically, what you need to do is to make sure you do your follow-ups and look into your dealer logs to see if you have referrals and stuff like that.
Okay.
Basically.
So now, as a customer, my uncle just bought a car from you, and I like the deal that he got. This is my first time buying a car. What would you advise me as a first-time buyer?
As a first-time buyer, I would advise you to buy something that is not that inexpensive to begin with. Preferably, if it's possible, probably go for a used car. Use it for some time since you're a new car buyer. And then afterwards, once you get to a certain point, you could be able to come back and either do a trade-in, what we call a trade-in, or refinance the loan and get another one, whichever we want to do.
You want to invite your community to come in?
Absolutely, why not?
All right, so go ahead.
It's my primary market area. So I would advise everybody in my primary market area, which is our PMA, to please head on to Fordham Toyota, which is closed on 236 West Fordham Road. And we have the great deals.
Isa, thank you for your time. Tell people where to come and see you.
Absolutely. My name is Isa Baba. You could Google me on Google reviews. And please, when you come in, just ask for me, and I'll take care of you the right way. Thank you very much.
You already know, Fordham Toyota.